Aglio olio literally means olive oil and garlic, and despite all the complicated and extravagant versions that we have locally, the basics is that olio only requires spaghetti, olive oil, and garlic. As you can see, the amount of ingredients that we actually need for this dish is very little. It all fits into one plate. I have 6 to 8 cloves of garlic over here, cut already. I have got maybe about quarter cup of parsley, which is already been chopped. And then these two items here are actually optional. This is cut chilli padi for a bit of heat and a bit of flavor, and dried chili flakes. So here I've got half a cup of olive oil that's heating up in the pan. You want to set your heat to medium because you don't want to burn your ingredients. The first thing you're going to throw in there is the garlic. You want to just let the garlic fry in the oil so that the oil can absorb the fantastic garlic flavors into the oil line. Now the next thing that I've gone in is the chili, to also add in those nice chili flavors. Now if you opted not to use chili, then you can just skip this portion. So now the pasta that we cooked just now, right now this is going in. So just keep tossing it around. Tossing, keep tossing. Yeah. Then we throw in the parsley and toss it in there as well. Finally, there's the salt and pepper to taste. Right, just sprinkle that in there as well and toss it in. After around 2 to 3 minutes of tossing in this pretty low to medium heat, we're done. Right, so here I plated the pasta. Then as an ending, here's some chili flakes from earlier on that I mentioned. And then parsley on top. And that's it. Nice healthy meal in 10 minutes.